easily summarize a web page by using the browsing assist feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the summarize option for Samsung Internet is on. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap advanced intelligence. Tap Samsung Internet. Next, tap summarize. And then make sure that the on-off switch for this option has been turned on. By default, this option is enabled. However, if it's disabled, you can tap the on-off switch until the switch turns blue to enable it. Now, when the summarize option is on, you can then use the browsing assist feature to easily summarize a web page. To do so, open Samsung Internet app and then open a web page. Next, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap browsing assist and then select summarize to let your phone uses the AI to create a summary of the currently open web page. If needed, you can change the summary style by tapping the summary style icon at the top right of the summary section. And then select standard to get a standard style, or select detail to get more detailed style. As the example, we will select detail. Next, tap done button to save your selected style and apply to the summary. If needed, you can copy the summary to your clipboard by tapping the copy icon. You can also translate the summary to another language by tapping translate. However, you can change the target language if the current language selection is not what you want. To change the target language or the language you like your phone to use as the translation result, tap the drop-down menu at the right side and then select the desired language. As the example, we will select French. You can see that your phone will translate the summary to the selected target language, in this case in French. As a note, for the moment, this translation feature only supports to 15 languages. So if the language you like to use is not listed in the list, you can download it first by tapping add languages and then follow the on-screen instruction. With this AI-based feature, now you can easily make a simple or detailed summary of a web page you are opening in the Samsung Internet app, whether you like to write it in its original language or in another language. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.